This is a 2007 Jeep Liberty 4x4 with 104,000 miles. It is RV ready. Very sought after by RV enthusiasts. Pretty easy to hook up and tow behind any motorhome. In stunning condition, very good condition. Aftermarket wheels, brand new tires, tow package, rust free, everything works on this vehicle. Needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It's like a pewter bronzish color. There's your tow package. Hooks right up, everything's wired to go. Or it makes a perfect student vehicle. Seats are in exceptionally good condition, no rips or stains or wear marks. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. Aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. 4x4, 104,000 miles. Just in exceptional condition. It needs nothing. So, this is a 2007 Jeep Liberty Sport 4x4, 104,000 miles with the RV package, ready to tow behind motorhomes. Needs absolutely nothing, fully serviced, in wonderful condition.